G'day guys, Burn Dog here from Burn Dog's Garage. Just a quick little catch up. I haven't made a video for a long time, I know. Been really busy with work in the shop, but also busy with my other hobby, running. I do run quite a bit. I've lost a lot of weight running. But unfortunately, about 12 weeks ago while I was out running, I was hit from behind by a car. So that's changed my whole life quite a bit. Car was doing 80 kilometres an hour, so it was quite a bad accident. I've been off work for quite a bit and will be for a bit more to come. So that's actually freeing up some time to do some little jobs. I can't do much. I can't get down on the ground to do brake lines and things like that, but I'll be able to do things like getting the lights working or going through some of the electrical gremlins. So that is my plan. Lots of little jobs. Belinda won't be around to film me, so it'll be me filming little things myself or taking some photos, and it'll end up being more of a blog style setup of filming where I'll be able to say, hey guys, this is what I've done, this is what my plans are this week, or look, might not even get anything done, depending on how my body is feeling. So it will take a while. Thanks for stopping around, and yeah, from here, some progress should start happening with Matron. Cheers.